A video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the malicious pop-up windows that are related to the site block.myupdates.net. On one hand, this is a pop-up that tries to make users subscribe to the intrusive push notifications, so it tells you to click on Allow. If you do that, your browser will be hijacked with even more intrusive advertisements. So you need to be very careful not to tolerate such pop-ups. And on the other hand, such pop-ups may promote potentially unwanted software through fake Chrome updates. So you need to disregard these pop-ups completely. If you have clicked on Allow button by mistake, you need to fix your browser. Access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, and in Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications and get rid of all these junk sites that could be causing such pop-ups on the screen. So carefully, one by one, get rid of all of them. I would also recommend that you research your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, so download it, install it, and then start investigating the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.